Hello guys, we are playing Showbiz Battlegrounds and no! Oh, the machine! Damn! Yeah, look at the machine. Boom! Damn! Whoa. Whoa. It was me. I know who. Bro, they said target me because they think I was the one. Damn! Damn! Comment down below who was the one that serious punch all of us. For one for all. Damn! Bro, you saw that? Ah! Bro. Wait, let me kill this thing. Dude! We're gonna do the destruction one again. Yeah, dude! Damn! Bro! Dude, look how much damage that caused. And guys, we did it 2 times. Sorry if I didn't tell you the goal was to do serious punch 2 times or 3 times. But we got it 2 times, that's what I think, or I just forgot. Now, we have the final task, kill someone. Yeah! I'm gonna do my combo. 1, 2, 3. Damn, we hate that move. Boom! No, wait, don't steal my kill. Do not steal my kill. Boom! Yeah! Yeah, bro, gonna die now. No, no. Nah. Damn. Almost. Let's do this guy first. end the video. Then he left. That means I killed him. But he killed his own. Wait a minute. I'm gonna kill this guy. Boom! No! We're gonna kill this man over here. No. Help. No, run, dude. Yo. Well, guess I can end the video now. I'm kinda tired, so it's 9 p.m. in the night here already. I'm gonna end the video. Hope you enjoyed the video though. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification. Comment who punched all of us. Well, I did too, but then I was me the first time. He did it first. So I don't think it was me. So if one of the person that I serious punch with sees this video, you can know it wasn't me. Because you can see clearly that when I punch, he punched first. Thank you and goodbye. Har har.